All right. All right, guys, I think we're good to go. Most of my stuff was all frozen up. I couldn't move nothing. Insane. What do we got? 4 minutes. We got time. We got time. All right, what have we got? We got a few minutes left, so I guess still got time to get my stuff fixed. Right now, everything looks kind of bullish to me, so we'll just see if we can hopefully find that one move this morning. Uh-oh. One thing I forgot was to sign in. Hmm. All right. I think we're good to go. Good morning, Java. How are you doing today? I had to kind of reset my stuff. For some reason, my computer was still working, but stuff was frozen. It was kind of weird. So we do have news this morning at 10 o'clock. So just be aware of that. So you're not getting stuck in a trade there. Man, we got the top of that data wick. Man, that's a good spot to run. It should get that 922. There's your data wick. Whoa. Hopefully we can get some kind of pullback and get some really good volume this morning. Sorry, but I don't have all my information in the chat this morning. I had to reset everything, so all this stuff I usually put in there as far as levels and news and all that stuff is not available. Well, it is available, but I had to reset it, so I didn't have time to redo everything. Wow, that was a nice out of the gate move this morning. Man, this thing's done ripped 50 points off the 900. Right now, everything's bullish from the 1 minute all the way to the 4 hour. I think we're bullish on all time frames. So I'm hoping it stays bullish. And so definitely no shorts at the moment. We will just be looking for some pullbacks and hopefully you find some entries. Usually you get some kind of retraction here at the come on. Y'all got that data wick there too. Man. Ah. I wanted that to be quick. I thought about putting the entry here at the 26, but it's so early in the morning. It was hard to believe in that or not. Man, I feel like that was the pullback there. Son of a bee. Those early morning trades have me nervous sometimes, especially in that first 15 minutes. Mm. Wow, that was 10 points off of the 9 EMA there. Just very weak. And it's super weak. Like to see a pullback into this 21 if possible, because it's struggling to get above the 9. Usually when this happens, a lot of times you'll get the pullback to the 21. Ah, come on. I think it was on the struggle bus. We're being you on a short from here, man. It might not be a bad idea. I mean, shoot, we're struggling to move past the 70s. I thought we'd at least take out the high on that last little bump against the 50s. Yeah, I would have. — 15 minutes set too, so we got 15-minute open range up there at 67. Man. Hopefully they're not waiting for news to come out. We only have about 13 minutes left before 10 o'clock news. Right now, we're just making a nice little 1 minute trend line. Still very bullish. Ooh, that was a lower high too. Yeah. This is... $50s are a struggle bus right now. Damn it. I'll get probably stopped out on this one. You short the 955? Yeah, I saw a little too late. Yeah, freaking A. Nice short, Java. Oh man, I'm just beating down my funded accounts, man. So that's it for me on the funded. So for the day, I done lost half of my profit on my funded on 3 trades. Nice. Oh goodness. Oh. Definitely riding the 21 and the 9 at the moment. Damn it. Son of a... Okay. Oh my God, it's just not my morning this morning. I keep buying at the top. Okay, no more funded trades. Dang. Would have been so annoying. Woo. Taking a beating over here, Java. Taking a beating over here. What time is it? We got, what, 4 minutes for 10 o'clock news? What's up, Outer? Oh, I'm over here trading too early for a Friday, and so I'm in the red on my PAs already starting out today. So unfortunately, it's probably going to stay. Oh, you already taking trade? What'd you do? Try trading news this morning? Yeah, see, I already taken 2 trades this morning. Hmm. All right, guys, we have news in what, minute and a half? 1 minute? What's up, Trader G? We'll get through the news and hopefully we can find a few more. Yeah, I've been busier in the PM session. It's just like today. I also have something I have to do in the news play. Holy crap. Wow, it'd have been nice to have been stuck in that trade still. No, that was an insane bounce. Oof. No, I don't have any that's passed at the moment. That I need. Are you talking about the past I need to pay for? Yeah, they just changed something new with that a while back, but I'm not sure the whole thing because I haven't really looked into it. Hmm. Yeah, like I said, I know now, like you used to have to like request for them to be funded. Now they do it automatically, trader. Man, where is the... I'm not seeing a bounce until like 706, possibly. I don't know if you have to pay now or if you just got to it renew. See, I'm not really sure the specifics on that. Ah, shit. Ah. No love for the runner. I thought we'd push back up into this non-EMA here. Man. Where'd you get long from, Trader G? I was kind of hoping for around these 810s, the 800s, the 810s, around the 20, this non-EMA here. Yeah, that would be the bottom of your data wick here from this morning. That's a non-farm payroll line here. Nah, it was a wow. Nice little bear flag setup if anybody took the bear flag setup. Man, it doesn't look like it, but man, that was like a freaking 30-point push. Some pretty strong pivots here. I definitely feel like we're going to make it down to the 700s. Whew. I need to pull my chat down. Keep. Man. There's been several of these opportunities that I didn't take this week from pushing off the 9, which that was also your data wick too. Man, from non-farm payroll. What a missed opportunity. There's your 700. I wonder if we get a bounce here at the 700s. Nope. Man, if it gets through the 80s, we're looking at probably 600s. Outer on your big account. Now, was that like trading every single day, like multiple day losses? Or are you taking multiple trades a day? You short a big contract at 8:30. Still did not get that 9 touch, man. Double click order really fast. Man, that was only like a 2 point pullback. I mean, a 2 candle pullback and not even making it up to the freaking 9 EMA. Oh, I see what it hit. It hit that wick here. Get through here. Now that was the 9 touch, but I think it done tried it multiple times. I feel like we're going to go up to the 21 EMA. Yeah. Waiting to see if we're going to get through these pivots. Oh, shit. I went too early. Here it goes. I might have went too early. Ah, shit. It just hit in and out real quick. I mean, all we're doing, we are trading a funded account. We're just trying to get back our profit. We got it down to 100 bucks. Ah, shoot. I was trying to shoot for those 70s up there, but we're only doing 3 contracts, so we're not going to be making a lot. We're just kind of chipping away. Hmm. Making lower highs. It's just those two little pivots sitting there at the 38s to 43s. That's why I hesitated there on that. We're making lower highs. I mean, uh, so basically, what we're doing is trying to scalp back into the green here. If we get above that 20, I'd like to see us hit that 20, come back, retest that 9, then maybe look for even continue higher, because as long as we bouncing off these pivots, that's kind of what I was trying to be patient for. Ah, okay. Damn it. Didn't get the breakout. Was hoping for a quicker reaction without trying to risk anything. You might still get it if you're looking long. I was trying to take up here. We got a lot of, looks like equal highs up here at the 90s. Still bouncing off that 20. Man, this could be the big sell-off here, possibly. We got a nice little 1 minute trend line moving all the way up with already 3 and 4 hits. got another lower high there. Uh-oh. If it pulls back here, you want to see it like at the most a 50 hold here. Was looking for the 77 to hold. That's why we got long at the. Oh, shoot. Keep our risk low. We can't break through these 77s. It's probably going to come back and get us. Couldn't get the breakout. The reason why I was choosing that area, because I thought maybe we would get a 90 push. A lot of times we always want to kind of push up to touch those 90s. Oh, freaking pivot. Come on, let's get a big move down. Oh, son of a bee. Oh, I needed that big move down. That would have got me back over my losses from this morning on one of my funded. We got it down to $4, so we battled back. We made $300 because we lost 300 on that funded this morning. So we've been battling. That's why we've been going to break even real quick, because we're just trying to catch the breakouts. If it's not going to go, I'd rather just be breakout and look for another entry. All right, we're just going to knock it down to 2 micros. And this way, we'll just see if we can find one more 10-point in a runner move. We ran into these freaking pivots. So, like, if you notice, sometimes I'll try to, like, at least be 10 points away from some kind of, like, bounce area. That way I can at least get my 10 points. Then if the runner can't get through, we just don't get nothing on the runner. Gotta lose those 50s. Don't let me down, pivots. You can see us getting stuck there. All right, we'll have to take the $40 loss or $20. We got what, 6 points? 6 and 4. What's that? 4 and 4, 8 points. So we're in it for 8 at the moment. Yeah, that was only a $30. It took us back up to 30. I was trying to get through those freaking pivots. Son of a bee. You can see them sitting there. We were trapped in between them. Oh, keep faking me out, thinking we're going to break through there and then freaking stall at the 38. Ugh. Oh, those devil pivots, guys. The devil pivots. They keep messing with me. It looks like we're about to break out and burst on us. Yeah, it's choppy range. I mean, everything looks kind of bearish at the moment. It's like, man. We got this gap fill in right here. That's what I was looking at. Like I said, we're kind of just trying to scalp our way back to positive if we can. That's why we're just going to break even. We are going to miss trades, but then we just got to have to just get that breakout at the exact moment. But we did hit the target, kind of what I thought we were going to do. It looks like I said, most time we always try to fill in these gaps here. Just kind of the way. Come on. Oh no, it hit 9. It hit the 9. It hit 9 points because I went to break even. Anytime I go to break even like that, it's 9 points. There we go. My goodness, man. The battle's real. Ugh. To the moon. All right. 20-point rip off that so far. Whew. All right. Nice. All right. We're not going to trade that account no more. Woo, we had to battle back with that one. Too bad I had to be down like $400 to get it back to profit. I did that basically between what 2 micros to 5 micros, just kind of going back and forth, kind of how I feel. But we got it back up to $72. So, but my other funded account's still $300 in the hole. But like I said, we 1 for 1 today. So we're not going to do fundeds no more. We're just going to do evals the rest of the day or the rest of the morning. I got to make sure I'm on the right eval. Oh, I need to do that now so I don't forget because I meant to do that yesterday. I passed that another funded with Apex and I forgot to sign their freaking thing. Yeah, it was. Unfortunately, the account that I was close to getting payout on, we've kind of dug ourselves back in a hole. But we still have done pretty good about not going tilt on them. So, I mean, that's been the positive part. There it is. That one. What? Yeah. 26,507. What's up, Clarity? Give me a minute. I just need to sign this little forms thing real quick so I don't forget. I meant to do it yesterday and I forgot. Okay. Signed. All right. How's your morning been? Yeah, you're red on one. That's kind of what I'm going to have to live with for today is red on one PA and green on the other. So, but I could be red on 2. It was very close. I easily could have ended up being red on 2, but I decided not to give up today. Man, that thing looks like it's just going. I feel like we definitely could pull back into this 50% mark at the 826. You know, a lot of times we do get bounces out of that area. Ooh, 849 is your next resistance. Yeah, and we got that 200 moving average. Definitely, I could see that because that's your pivot up there, and also your 200 moving average sitting at 841. Woo, getting a nice little wedge build up here. He's red too today. I thought I heard him and I was listening, but I know he's trading so much different stuff. I don't know exactly what he's read on. I'll talk to him later. I usually talk to him every day on the phone about trading pretty much. Now, was that the like the just a certain funded account or the Apex funded? I mean, we're getting the breakout here. Like I said, it's the pivots. The only things that scare me. I got trashed on those pivots multiple times with bounces and stops. Look at that. Boom. So that's what I mean by sometimes whenever I see bounce areas like that, if you are going to consider trades, I try to get at least 10 points before that happens, just so in case it, just that way if it pops on you or just doesn't make it through. I tried taking trades on those earlier. That was a lot of my break-even trades because I tried to get shorts below these pivots here, and they're kind of stacked. And also, if I look over here on trading view, I think I see something similar to that. That's like the middle or something right there on that 1 minute chart. I like that 50 bounce. Get off that 50 and push down to the 20s. Nope. It still could not get. Oh, I thought we were going to get it for sure that time. Oh my God. Okay. That's my last trade around those freaking pivots. Yeah, it's hard to follow that clarity because I know he's trading like so many different funded accounts. Like I know he's got like Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Bulinox. He's got like 4 or 5 different funded accounts with different companies. So it's definitely hard to tell. Unless he just says it, I guess. I couldn't do it. I've tried. It gets really, even when I got a bunch of evals and stuff, it gets tough trading all that stuff because it's a lot to keep up with. Yeah, there's nothing worse than a red Friday. I'm gonna have to live with my 50-50 red Friday here. Hmm. Yeah, that definitely can put some stress on the table with 20 accounts. To me, I have 7 total funded. What is it? 6 with Apex and 1 with Bewley. And it, I've been super focused on Apex lately, but I've been in a slump with my 1 funded. I done took 3 straight losses on my 1 PA. Yeah, I've been actually really good about that clarity about not losing. I haven't gone tilt in a good long time. I've been at least not on a funded. I have not gone tilt on a funded in a long time. That is something I definitely tried to make sure I did not do starting out this year is staying really strict on my fundeds. I try to stick to that same thing where Methodical Man does. If you take a loss, just put them away. But today I did switch over and take a lot of mini trades on one of my funded, and I've never done that. That's the first time I've done that in a while. But so just because I did not want to live with 2 reds, but it started working out, so I continued. I kind of got in a groove where we were finding little breakouts and break evens. Because I copy traded those 2 accounts, so it got me red in both of them. Come on, 90. The 90 might get us. I wanted to be in at 80 because, like I said, that 90, the 90 drama. We'll join back in if this thing reverses off the 80 here. There you go. It just took 2 turns to get through those 90s. That's all. That's the case. Oh, come on. This is an eval we're on now, guys. At least it better be. Yeah, it is. What do we still got? One contract left. What do you think? Maybe that pivot? I mean, we're going to get some pivot drama at 810s. So I'll just shoot for 810s. That'll be about almost, not quite 20 total points if we hit the last on the runner. This is why a lot of times if you see me take trades in the 70s or the 80s, usually 90 is about where I'll try to take my profit at, because we always get that 90 to 800 drama. Or 900 to whole number drama, not necessarily 800. I'm going to shoot for that 50% pullback if we can get it. And I'm going to use a Robbie. I'm going to stay Robbie. Oh, whoa. What the crap? Hopefully you have a stop loss in. Man, that just ruined somebody's day that did not have a stop loss. Oh my goodness. Whew. That is insane. That was like a 170 point drop. No, wait, yeah. 800 down to 640. Holy goodness. Oh, the one time I've been trying to get through the pivots, it just, too bad I couldn't do that when I was trying to get my shorts through the pivots earlier. Oh my goodness. Clarity, you know someone was in a short that says, oh, I don't need a stop loss. I mean a long that I don't need a stop loss. Oh. Wow, but we're about to hit 200 points. Wow, we hit that 21,800 and straight boner down. Holy goodness, that is insane. Ponzi has to be living on cloud nine with this kind of sell off. Is this thing gonna retrace all the way back up? There's Ponzi. Man, this is going to retrace 50% of this move already. Oh, insane. We're at the IBH. Kind of waiting to see what happens at our IBL initial balance here. I got some slippage on that. Okay. Didn't lose the IBH. I mean, we're bouncing off this initial balance. That's what I was trying to get short on, this initial balance here. Oof. We can be a little bit more, even more aggressive on the eval here. We already. Did we get the gap fill? Nah. Was shooting for that 21 touch. There it go. I didn't even get time to get that. Oh, what happened? Oh, I know what happened. It hit 9 and broke me even. That's what happened. I just don't know if these are fake breakouts. They kind of scare me a little bit. Ah. Woo. All right, we'll wait to print. I'm getting hammered at the IBH today with this eval. That's not looking good. We pushed right there to the bottom of that gap. Oh, you got to be kidding me. It bounced right off that 50. Is that where it bounced off? Golly, man, it hit like literally 19 and just freaking bounced. I couldn't even run those wicks. Come on. Oh, that was so dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. We're still in the hole a little bit. He turned a. Oh, that was a good one. It's still kind of bouncing out of that spot. Just if that don't need to see that getting lower because I just made a freaking lower high there. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay. So we did just get past that 40. So it looks like 613. Wow, we hit right off that 26. Wow, that's crazy. All right, man, we just what a rip. That's at that 705 is kind of like the previous day low. So if we get above that, we should get a little pop up here. Get above those. Looks like we're going to miss that pop. Dang it. Once we pop those 605s, I thought we would get a little pop. That was your previous day low. Dang it. Come on. Need 705 to hold. Yeah, we may just get wrecked here. Come on, 60705. Dang it. We got back in the green and got right back in the freaking red. Son of a bee. Just right back down to that IBH there. We'll see what's going to happen. Kind of waiting to see if the IBL is going to break, or we're going to get back above that previous session low. Couldn't get through. Right now, we're still just stuck in between the freaking IBL and the previous low. Man, that thing still got stuck. I gotta take a trade on this Bewley. See if we can get a print below this gap here. This right here will probably be my last trade of the day or morning. Let me try to add a little DCA in here. We do not want to see it get back above the 85. If it gets above the 85, we may have to kill it sooner. Nah. Hopefully that was just our IBL retest. Man, we're going to be super red on this eval. All right. That's going to put us in a red about $400 or $500 on the eval if we get stopped out. All right. So here we go. All right. London close session pretty soon. I know, what an insane reversal here. So far, we're going to be red on one funded account, green on one, red on my Apex eval, and oof, that was an insane. Dude, these moves today have just been insane. I mean, that isn't crazy. Like a 60-point candle to the upside. We still got 10 minutes before London. Ah. We're almost back to break even. I thought once we push there, hit that 26, then we'd take another little stab up there to the 50s. But I'm thinking maybe if we can hit the 12s and find support at the 12s. Are we gonna attempt this IBL again? We done tried that thing like 3 times already. Definitely been getting some nice bounces off of that area. Woo. You got caught in a pullback? How'd you even get in that stuff? That stuff was nuts a while ago with that huge 60-point candle. Or did you get in above the 50? Clarity, are you trading with minis? You trade with minis or micros? We've had some pretty insane candles today. I mean, these candles today have been just insane. Just could be easily devastating. Oh, you switched to minis. Oof. What's up, Fish Lips? How are you doing today? Man, we got stopped at the bottom of this gap. The bottom of this gap has been a freaking wall. Maybe I'll wait till we can get through it. Wow, that's pretty awesome. 2K on a freaking. I might have gotten a little early. Nah, the only thing I was red on today with Fish Slip was being unfortunately red on one of my funded account. The second we were able to kind of come back from scalping. Now we're just being kind of overly aggressive with evals at the moment. Oh, you did yours on 15-second charts? I never did get any good at doing those second charts. Oh, we hit 9 points again. There we go. Like, gosh. Ooh. Huh. What are you trading on TradingView? How do you get a 1 minute EMA on a, oh shoot. How do you get a 1 minute 15-second chart? That sucks. The runner got stopped out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out something with my Apex funded. I done took like, what's this, like the third straight day loss on that thing. I took 2 last week. No, wait, 4 and 2 this week. So 4 straight losses. My biggest mistake is me trying to trade in that first 30 minutes. I know usually those are the times I usually struggle the most, in that first 30 minutes. That's why a lot of times I try not to trade during that time. Let's see. Hmm. 75. Whew. What is it? That's 71. I guess I'd have to look that up. I'm not sure how you would now do you just when you do that fish lips, are you just looking at a 1 minute chart? Or do you actually have the 1 minute chart on your 15 seconds? There's the move back up. I like to see if we can get above this IBH again. A lot of times if we go below it, can't move any farther down. We get back above it, we can get a nice little move back to the upside. Okay, so you just gotta take the EMA to it. It matches up with the 1 minute. Okay, so 36. Yeah, I was wondering about that. Wow. I think just dumped off the IBH or IBL. To the moon. What are you talking about, methodical man? It ends at 1 if you make a 1K on an eval, you pass, but it has to be done by 1 Eastern. Oh, the 100K fast track. Huh. Nice. $200s up there. Huh? Oh well, we'll mess with that later next week whenever we try to trade that. All right, guys, we're gonna be getting off in a few minutes. Like I said, I have something I have to do later today. I haven't looked at Discord this morning, Methodical Man. No, not today. I've been trying to do my best not over trading so I don't get because it seems like the more I was trading in the evenings and the midday, I'd start just making my accounts worse and worse. So we've been just trying to just keep it to a minimum. Since we're already in a red on our Apex eval, we're in the red on our one of our fundeds and green in the other. And this is, I switched over to trade one of my Buleys because I haven't been taking trades on it, so I have to make sure I get trades on it. Oh, goodness. Yeah, you've been working more lately, didn't you? Ever since you took a different job or something, so you have to work more. Or travel, I guess. You have to travel more. All right, we're back at the IBL. Are we going to get through it this time? Okay. So that your travel job didn't turn into temporary like you were hoping it was? I remember for a while you said you just had to do it a little while. Well, I don't see how fish lips you do this 15 seconds, man. This thing is just insane. Man, the IBH worked again. Oh, no kidding. I'm pretty sure that's most of us here. So far, no love for none of my runners today. Every day's been like massive wicks. I mean, what was this, like almost a 20-point candle? It's trying to just stay right be dang it. I think I should have chose the 21 EMA. I think that's where we should have chose. This is just 2 micros, guys. Yeah, that's a lot. Got to get through those whole numbers of the 50s here. Should run its resistance at the 34s, maybe. That's a pivot. Nope. Boner. Just right. That pivot. I forget about that. Anytime you're in those higher pivot numbers, like the 3s and the 4s, those pivots become super weak. Man, this type of movement right here, this is just how you get wrecked. If you get FOMO, let's say you jumped in because you see the big candle and that thing just reversed on you, what, like almost 40 points from the 20 all the way back up to the 60. Oh, these reversals have been insane today. Not really sure what's going to happen in this spot here. I mean, it looks like we almost have equal. Nope, not quite equal lows. It's pretty close. We still did not run those lows down there. I mean, that's kind of the target I was looking for to run this wick here. I mean, it still looks like it's very bearish. I'm sad that I didn't catch either one of these lows off this IBL, especially when I tried that like 3 times earlier. Dude, it's like before I took that profit a while ago, what I've been trying to get better at is get short or long around this 9 EMA and use the 20 as my stop loss. But it's so later in the morning, didn't do it. Because right now we're just riding the 9. We're hitting the 9 over and over. Oh. I don't think it's going to be. Is it going to respect the pivot? It didn't respect it here at all. Nope, it still didn't respect it. I mean, just 15 points through it. Oh, there's going to be your take profit there at the bottom of this data wick from this morning. There she is. It just dipped a little toe in it too. It didn't even like go through it. It just tapped it. It just like to test the waters or something. Another possible setup, let's say if we sell through this wick here and pop up, and you can almost sometimes you can get some shorts off of these data wicks. I mean, it's tapping it, so let's see if it holds. No. You said 584? Wouldn't mind seeing a pullback up into the 40s. Get a little 21 touch or even a 50. There's the 9. know, it still didn't go down with the force I wanted to see. Since we're just using 2 micros, we might play the 21 up here. And see if our 21 EMA will hold. Uh-oh. That's not good. You don't want to see it go through the 21. Right now we DCA'd a little. Well, what are we down? 60. All right, we're going to have to probably, if this doesn't start reversing, we'll probably have to close her down. All right, come on. Try to take some of my leverage off the board in case it does pull back. Yeah, dang it. Thought we were going to get the 21 bounce there. We're still in the green. That's what we made most of our profit on that last big move from earlier. So on this account, we're in the macro time. Maybe this will be our lunchtime reversal where we move all the way back up. What is it doing here? That was kind of an ugly looking candle. This far down, you would think that we'd want to move back up because, I mean, we're already on the, what, 3rd pivot? Come on. Dang, that thing just whips all down there so quick. I didn't even have time to get my freaking target in. Eric, This crap has been like this all day long, man. We've been having such whippy candles. I've been going to break even so fast on so many of my trades today because I'm scared of this happening. All right, we're going to try to play the 50 one more time because we went in with 8 contracts with that. Or the 21 here. Let's see if we can ride the 9 a little bit more because we did pull back and retest the 50 EMA, the 20 EMA. So hopefully we can continue moving down. No. Just don't want to get through these lows here. This was from the data wick this morning or whatever that was at 10 o'clock from earlier this morning. Yeah, I think next weekend I'm gonna have to stop taking my trade so early because it just seems like that first 30 minutes I am always struggle so bad. Yeah, that's why for a little bit clarity, I was well. Besides this trade, before that's why I was only using like 2 and 3 micros. Yeah, this is gonna be my last trade of the day too. I need to put it away so I don't sit here and continue trading. Come on, get through the whole number. You know you want the 90 touch. Whatever special little relationship you have with the 90 there. Then Fish Lips, he called out 84, so we could get a 84 hit, which would be nice too, because that'd be 10 points below my stop. We have had some pretty wild candles today, Clarity. Like, it has been so wild today with some of these candles. I was in them for a few of them, but I'm glad I had a stop loss on one of them. I was in that crazy. Oh, yeah, you were in here, that crazy one that we had dumped like 200 points. Oh, that was insane. Yeah, I wish I had done that myself, but from moving forward, I think I'm no longer going to trade funded accounts on non-farm payroll week or the day before and the day of. And I tell myself that every time, like when the morning comes, like, okay, do not trade non-farm payroll. And I do it anyway. Okay. Target hit. Nice call out fish lips on the 84. We hit 585. 585 is session low at the moment. Fish lips, did you take that bounce? Oh my god, that would have been insane. Did you front run it by at least like a couple points so you could get that 84 bounce? Oh, there was a major fib there. Nice for anybody that took that advice. Oh wait, no, the exact session low is 584. Oh my goodness. Nice. Wow. That'd have been awesome if I had the guts to do that, but I don't. I'm horrible at resting orders. Yeah, I've been trying to mess with those a little bit more lately, but I just haven't really quite got them down. I've been using it with TradingView and just try to put automatic fibs on there. Or is that like fib pivots? I'm not sure what Fibonacci you're talking about. Or is that just your basic Fibonacci? Wow, man, look at this run up. Man, that's almost 50 points bounced off that 84 level. Or 60 points. Sorry, 60. Fish lips, I think you could probably get a 100-point bounce off that. I feel like we could definitely retest that IBL here. See. Oh, did you take that? Were you in that for 13 micros? Heck yeah. I'm gonna have to. Wow, this thing's. Oh, you took it when it broke back above the 9 EMA. I've been trying to get better at those two where you can kind of almost try to pick out the reversal. But sometimes I don't feel as comfortable doing it, and you'll see me go to break even a lot. Wow, this is insane. All right, guys, that's going to have to do it for me. This market is just insane today. Unfortunately, we have to finish red on one of our fundeds after having some crazy movements later this morning. But I was able to get it all back on my other funded on Apex. So we'll be okay with that. Hopefully next weekend we can get some kind of streak going on that other funded, because right now we're on 4 straight losses. We took 2 losses last week, and we've taken 2 losses this week. And we're about, I want to say, not quite break even, but we are in the green on the other funded for the week. But only by like $100, not very much. Whatever I was on there this morning when I was getting that funded account back to green. So, man, that is insane, fish lips. I'm gonna have to look more into the what type of Fibonacci levels are those? Are those like pivot Fibonacci's, or is that just a regular like pull Fibonacci zones? And what time frame? Not just regular? Like what time frame was that? Dun, 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 dun. You said oh, wow. That's a long ways back. Is that something on Fibonacci? Not a Fib. Is that something on TradingView that it puts that in there for you? Like to go what back 5 days or is that like the opening week or something? Like from the opening week low? From the second? The second would have been what, Sunday? Hmm. Nice. All right, guys, we will be back Monday morning or Sunday night. Not really sure. But thank you guys for watching today. Good luck the rest of the day. If you're going to continue trading, just make sure you're using stop losses today because we've had some really high volatility candles that have been just popping like 50 and 60 points out of nowhere. I myself, I was in one earlier this morning. It was actually right here. Is that right? Yeah, it was this one. I think we were trying to look for a long here. And luckily I had a stop loss because I tried to get long above this session mid here at 70. Well, I don't remember what was that earlier, but at least I think it was this one. It was one of these. I think it was this one. It had to be because I didn't expect this one. Yeah, because it went down almost 200 points. Yeah. So luckily I had a stop loss in. Thank you, Outer. You have a good weekend too.